Welcome you back again to another video lecture on Python programming, and in this video lecture I'll go ahead and teach you how to read data from a file to a dictionary. Alright, let's go ahead and kick off immediately. Now we have this file we created right here, and that is python.txt, and if you look at the size is 0 kilobytes because nothing is inside here. So let's say we want to create some product like let's say shoe, let's say male shoe, then female shoe, and children's shoe, or let's call that kids shoe, so that it will not just be all that long. Alright, so I can be able to reduce that like M shoe is for male, then female shoe is F shoe, and kids shoe is K. Now we can also have something like a shirt. You can say shirt, and polo. Okay, you can have t-shirt. I hope so. Alright, so and so many more. Let's say cap. Alright, so now we have to, let's say, give the cost of all these. Okay, let's say this shoe, the cost is $5.3. Then for male shoe $5.3, female shoe is $4.9, and kids shoe is $2.5. And then for a t-shirt is $7, and polo is $12. I don't actually know the price of all this in the market. Okay, I'm just giving this randomly. Now a t-shirt is $8, and then cap is just only $4. Now we have this. Let's go ahead and give the sizes of this. Maybe for the male shoe, and male shoe is so let's say the male shoe is the size is 45, and then female shoe size is 43, and then kids shoe is 12. Wow, that is really so much. And then the size of shirt is 30, and t-shirt is 31. Okay, polo is 31, and then let's say t-shirt is 25. I don't actually know. And the size of the cap is 13. How can you group this into a dictionary form? Go ahead and save this. And you can see the size of this file is 1 kilobyte now because we've saved this right now. Now let's go ahead and copy the part of this file. Copy the part of this file and go ahead and minimize. Now let's go ahead and kick off immediately by saying maybe we have some goods or some products. Let's say goods is equal to empty dictionary. Now we go ahead and use a for loop and say for I in open. So we have to open the file where we save this. So for I in open, and then we go ahead and paste the file part right in there. Now let's go ahead and change the part of this, the backward slashes to forward slash, so you can be able to read this. All right, go ahead and change all these to forward slashes. Now let's go ahead and append the name of the file. So forward slash and python.txt, that is the name of the file. Okay, so now let's go ahead and say, let's group the categories. Let's say cat, and this cat is equal to I dot split. All right, I dot split, and then we go ahead and say cat of element 1 is equal to float, because it might contain like the prices are 5 points on and some are points, so let's contain points, and then go ahead and press in the category for the prices of the goods. So this is goods. I want this to be goods and not good. All right, so this is goods. All right, so let's say cat, for the first row we are going to take that for the price, and then cat 2, let cat 2 be for the let that be for the size. Okay, so let's say int, because it's just a number, is there is no point there, and let that be cat2. All right, let's check this again before we run into problem. Let's open that again. So we're working with the size, the cost of the shoe, and the size of the shoe. All right, now we're going to stop in row 2. If you have any other ones, like maybe the match, the number, or anything, you can go ahead and continue with cat 3, cat 4, cat 5, and different categories. All right, now let's goose with cat of the default, that is row, is going to be the default 0 with index 0, and go ahead and say cat with index 1. Now let's go ahead and print out goose. Okay, now if you want to print out that, let's go ahead and run this code and check out this. And we could not convert string to float in shoe. Let's go ahead and open that in shoes and see what we have. Okay, let's check. We have shoe, let's say female shoe, male shoe, and let this be together. Okay, now go back and save this again, save this, and these ones are 7.0, 12, the cost is 12.0, and because we made that to be float, 0.0 and 4.0. Go ahead and save this again and close this, minimize that, and let's run this code again and check it out. Alright, so now you can see we have these male shoes, cost is 5.3 and the size is 45. Female shoe, the cost is 4.9 and the size is 4.3, and kids shoes is 2.5 and the size is 12. So you can see it has grouped this into dictionary, okay, down to cap, and the cap is 4.0 and the size is 13. Can you see that? Alright, so this is how this works. It can be able to help you to group files in your file into dictionary format. I hope that is very cool. Now the code is just valid before you. Go ahead and put it down on your own system. You play around with it, and in case if you have any question, please go ahead and use the question and the answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.